A heat advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 74 degrees with a thunderstorm. Tonight, thunderstorms early, low 72. Chance of rain, 40%. Friday, thunderstorms, high 89. Chance of rain, 60%. Here's our 7-day outlook. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
You're no longer having any tornado warnings, but
a heat advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 83 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, partly cloudy. A stray afternoon or evening thunderstorm is possible. Low 72. Thursday, partly cloudy with an afternoon shower or thunderstorm. High 92. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Low 72. Winds light and variable. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Well, tomorrow on America's Morning Headquarters, scientists are turning to an unexpected source for clues about the impact of the Los Angeles wildfires. And here's a sneak peek for you.
A flash flood warning has been issued for our area.
How the